Okay students, let us proceed to find the integration of a format of integral of 1 upon a cos x plus b sin x plus c dx. Here we have a given question number 3 of part 2 of exercise number 3.2b. Okay, the question number 3 is matching with the format, that is 1 upon a cos x plus b sin x plus c. Okay, students, if we compare the given question with our format, we get a is equal to 1 and b is equal to -1 and c is equal to 2. And we know that the substitutions of such type of integral is dx is equal to 2 dt upon 1 plus t square, cos x is equal to 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square, sin x is equal to 2t upon 1 plus t square. Okay, clear? In last lectures, in last question we have discussed the proof of dx is equal to 2 dt upon 1 plus t square, cos x is equal to 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square, sin x is equal to 2t upon 1 plus t square. Here we are going to substitute these three substitutions. Okay, since tan of x by 2 is equal to t, then we have dx is equal to 2 dt upon 1 plus t square, 1 plus t square. Clear? And we have cos x is equal to 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square, and sin x is equal to 2t upon 1 plus t square. Okay, so these three are our substitutions used to find the integral of the format of 1 upon a cos x plus b sin x plus c dx. Okay, clear? So let us substitute these three substitutions in our integral format, that is 1 upon 2 plus cos x means 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square, minus sin x means 2t upon 1 plus t square, and dx is equal to 2 dt upon 1 plus t square. Okay, students, any problem? Let this one is I, so I is equal to integral of 1 upon 2 means 2 by 1. Clear? 2 means 2 can be written as 2 upon 1. Since there are 3 terms in these 2 fractions, the denominator is 1 plus t square, 1 plus t square, but in the first term the denominator is 1. So we have to equalize the denominator after multiplication by 1 plus t square and divide by 1 plus t square. We get twice of 1 plus t square upon 1 plus t square. Clear? The second term is plus 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square, minus 2t upon 1 plus t square. Okay, first term, second term, third term, and we have to write 2 dt upon 1 plus t square, and after simplification we get 1 upon the LCM is written as 1 plus t square, and here we have 2 dt upon 1 plus t square. Okay, clear? After simplification, LCM 1 plus t square, 1 plus t square, 1 plus t square. There are 3 fractions, both having same equal denominator, so we can write 1 times as a LCM. The remaining terms are 2 plus 2t square plus 1 minus t square minus 2t. Please 1 minute. Okay students, that is 2t, and after simplification we get 1 plus t square and 1 plus t square get cancelled with each other. We have 1 upon 2t square minus t square, that is plus t square minus 2t and 2 plus 1, that is 3. So t square minus 2t plus 3 into 2 dt, and this one is equal to twice of 1 upon t square minus 2t plus 3 dt. Now our denominator is expressed as a quadratic expression in t. You are able to find the integral of such a format, that is integration of 1 upon ax square plus bx plus c dx. Okay, this can be solved using your perfect square method. Okay, please make a note, and after that we will solve next. Okay, so कॉपी कीजिए, फिर आप आगे बढ़ते हैं. Okay students, so t square minus 2t, that is t square minus 2t plus 3. T square minus 2t plus 3 can be written as students, t square, here the coefficient of t square is 1, so we have no need to make the coefficient of t square is 1. So we have to find tt, when the third term is equal to 1 by 2 coefficient of t. The coefficient of t is minus 2 to the whole square, that is 1. 2 and 2 get cancelled and the square of minus is positive. So we get the 1. After that, adding and subtracting third term, we get, take the bracket and take the square root of t square, that is t. Right sign is negative and divide the coefficient of 2 by 2. Coefficient of t by 2, that is 1 to the whole square. Now we know that a minus b to the whole square, there are 3 terms are included in this bracket. So if we reopen this bracket, that is 8t minus 1 to the whole square, we get t square plus 1 and minus 2t. The remaining terms are 3 minus 1, that is plus 2. And this one is written as t minus 1 to the whole square plus root 2 to the whole square. Since we have to make the perfect square, means a square plus b square or a square minus b square. Okay, so in this way, write this in the curly bracket, and we get from here twice of 1 upon t minus 1 to the whole square plus root 2 to the whole square and d. Clear? Twice of 1 upon t minus 1 to the whole square plus root 2 square, and this one is as a format of 1 upon x square plus a square, and this one is twice of 1 upon x square plus a square, that is 1 upon a, that is 1 upon root 2. A means root 2 tan inverse of x upon a. X means t minus 1, a means root 2 plus c. This one is root 2 upon root 2, that is root 2 times tan inverse of t. T means tan of x by 2 minus 1 upon under root 2 plus c. This is our final answer. So in this way we can calculate the integral 1 upon 2 plus cos x minus sin x. Our answer is under root 2 of tan inverse tan of x by 2 minus 1 upon root 2 plus c. This one is our final answer. Students, please make a note.